Are hardwood floors actually a good fit for your home? And how can you feel 100% confident before making such a big purchase? By the end of this video, we promise you'll understand how to select a hardwood floor that matches your household's daily needs and exactly what to expect from the buying process. Hi, I'm Sean from Floor Concepts, and after working with hundreds of homeowners here in the Wilmington, Delaware area, I can see firsthand how changing your floors can affect your daily life, how you feel about your home, as well as protecting your home's investment. We're sharing this video with you today because buying hardwood is a major decision, and you deserve to know how any floor will perform before it's installed in your home. In this video, we're going to cover exactly how to select hardwood, what homes it's truly best for, and how to ensure you get the perfect design and fit for your home without the stress. Our hardwood floor lineup consists of premium, genuine hardwood floors, chosen for durability, style, and warmth. We focus on providing high-quality wood species like oak, maple, hickory, cherry, walnut, with advanced, scratch-resistant factory finishes. Unlike the mass-produced products at big box stores, our hardwood features distinct grain patterns, rich textures, and deep color profiles that add character and lasting value to your home. When selecting hardwood for your home, you're going to want to select a high-quality wood that'll stand up to your daily life, as well as increase your home's equity. Unlike other flooring options, hardwood is a lifetime product. It provides a hyperallergenic environment because it doesn't trap dust, dander, or allergens like carpet can. If you don't choose a high-quality wood floor now, you may end up spending more money down the road constantly replacing or temporarily fixing your floor. Hardwood floors are the perfect fit for busy families, pet lovers, and design-conscious homeowners who want a warm, inviting aesthetic. If you want floors that'll handle dropping toys, muddy paws, and frequent cleanups while still looking sophisticated when guests arrive, this is for you. We help you choose the right wood species and type, like solid or engineered, to mask the everyday wear and tear of your home. Hardwood floors are not a good fit for people that are looking for a temporary quick fix or a low-budget fix that doesn't require a lot of long-term maintenance, or in a wet environment like a bathroom. The right time to buy is when you're ready to upgrade your primary living spaces into a cohesive, beautiful environment. It's ideal to start this process before your busy season or major family holidays, giving our team time to handle the precise home measurements and ensure a stress-free installation well ahead of your deadlines. Once prep is complete, installation begins. Hardwood can take up to 2 to 4 days to install, depending on the size and complexity of your home. The total cost of your project isn't just the price per square foot. It depends on how the product integrates into your entire home. Based on our price guide, hardwood has a big range. It can range from $6 to $30 a square foot. The main factors driving your investment are going to include the type of species that you select, the width of the product, as well as the core construction, solid versus engineered. Other factors like type of finish and where it's made can also drive the cost. A low-grade hardwood product could look something like a very thin, like a 3/8 thick plank, or even something that has a very small wear layer to it. The wear layer on top of an engineered hardwood floors should be at least 3 millimeters. When you're getting below 3 millimeters, it actually does affect the quality and longevity of that floor because it's not going to take things like dings and scratches as easily as something that has a thick wear layer to it. Another factor is the scale or layout of the space that we're installing the wood into. So things like, are we installing on top of concrete or are we installing on top of a wood subfloor? What is the trim that we're going to be using? It is an open concept, or is there a lot of doorways and angles to cut around? Are we cutting around fireplaces, around staircases? What kind of glues are we using during the process? What kind of nails are going to be needed for the project? Are we raising the floor? Are we lowering the floor? All these are factors when we're starting to consider how we're going to install this and lay this out in your home specifically. There's a saying out there that preparation is everything. And I like to think of it as an analogy of building a house. If you look at a house being built, you notice that the foundation and the prep work that takes to dig the hole, get the foundation laid, actually takes a very long time. It looks like nothing is happening for months. And then all of a sudden the sticks go up and you actually have a structure. Doing the prep work right and making sure that we have a good foundation to install hardwood on is very important. We're going to look at things like, are there dips in the floor? Does the subfloor need to be grinded or actually leveled at any point? All of these things will impact how the finished product will look at the end. That's kind of how the process works with hardwood. Here at Floor Concepts, we've completely streamlined the buying process of hardwood floors from beginning to end, so it's stress-free for you. The first step is either an in-home or a showroom consultation. We want to listen to how your family uses the space and help you narrow down the perfect wood, style, color, and texture for your house. Feel free to stop into our showroom at any time to talk to one of our experienced project managers, or you can schedule an in-home consultation with us. We can typically get out either same day or next day, or even fit around your family's needs. When we visit your home, we take exact measurements and assess your subfloor so there are no surprise costs later. Step 3 is our installation. With our zero regrets installation guarantee, our expert installation team brings your vision to life, backed by our 60-day beautiful guarantee. If you don't love your new floors, we'll replace them. Ready to bring the beauty of real hardwood to your home? The next step is to click on the Request an Estimate button on our site and schedule your free in-home consultation, or stop by our showroom to feel the quality of our hardwood selection in person. We want our customers to feel completely relieved and excited because here at Floor Concepts, we aren't just trying to sell you a box of wood, but give you our expertise so you can have beautiful floors that can actually handle your everyday life. We want you to be proud of your floors.